and smizzity spazzity, snippity snappity, whatever. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. So today we're going to be getting into something pretty exciting. It is a brand new version of the Boxycharm subscription box. It most definitely looks like all my teeth. So what I'm going to be filming today is just a little bit different than what I thought I was going to be filming initially. These boxes here were sent to me by Boxycharm to do this unboxing, and I thought I was going to be comparing the premium box to the Boxy Luxe. So I went ahead and just did my regular Boxycharm that I pay for myself, and that's actually the makeup I'm wearing on my face today came from that box. But it's actually, they sent me the premium box and the regular Boxycharm. So I hope you guys don't mind, but we are going to be unboxing another just regular Boxycharm today, and then we will also be getting into, if I don't drop it, the premium box. Sorry about that. I just had my wires crossed, but when do I not? Okay, so the regular Ipsy those crossed wires. The regular Boxycharm here is $25. The price has increased a little bit. And then the premium Boxycharm here is $35, and you're supposed to have over a $175 value. Wait, does Boxy Luxe still exist? I gotta Google, hold on, give me a second. They are also allowing you to make a choice of one of the items in your box, so that is nice that there's going to be more customization and personalization going into Boxycharm. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open up the first that sound was awful box here, which is the regular $25 Boxycharm, which I've already done an unboxing of one. Again, sorry about that. Hello, trauma. Oh gosh, okay, so we have the little card here, which tells us all about the stuff inside. There's also a little blister packet here of different concealers. I tried this out in my first unboxing and I actually kind of like them. These are from Wonder Beauty. They are lightweight concealers. They're not from Wonder Beauty. I'm just so used to saying that. These are from Pretty Vulgar, and they are the undercover lightweight concealers. Oh, it looks like we're gonna have pretty much just a repeat and refresher of my original regular Boxycharm that I did, with the exception of one item. So the first thing we have here is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the shade Charmed. This is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful fall color, nice and red, kind of rusty looking. I can definitely see a giveaway coming in this video because I feel like we have a lot of repeats, so this will be included in the giveaway. Next we have a set of brushes here from Boxycharm. This is the first time Boxycharm has actually launched their own it's just them. This is not in collaboration with anybody else. This is their first actual brush set that they've done on their own. That'll also be in the giveaway. Oh, and then we have another Celestial Thunder palette here. That is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. This is a really pretty palette with some beautiful colors in it. This will also be included in the giveaway. And then next up we have another repeat from the last box. This is from Cypress. I still have no idea. This is an antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. It comes in a beautiful bottle. Where'd it go? There she is. Yeah, it comes in a very beautiful cobalt blue bottle with this focus, there we go. This detailing on the front, very, very pretty, feels very good on the skin. This is also $90. Yeah, 90. But I'm pretty excited to have it, and I'm hoping you guys are excited to get one in the giveaway as well. And then the very last thing in here, which is actually different from the last box that I did, is a pair of Lily lashes, but I guess these are in collaboration with Boxycharm. I got mine in the style CEO. It doesn't say anywhere on here that they're in collaboration with Boxycharm besides saying Boxycharm on the box. These are definitely a pretty pair of lashes. I like how nice and fluffy they look. I'm also very excited that I got them in this box when I'm not doing a try on instead of the first box where I did do a try on. So yeah, that was a refresher course on the regular Boxycharm. I think my last box is a $190 value, which is pretty awesome. Most of it being, well, almost half of it being this bottle right here. Yeah, this actually came to a total value of $203, which I think is pretty good. That's a very nice value. I think there's a lot of usable items in here. So yeah, I'm excited to go basically just get the whole box. You get the whole Boxycharm. This is all yours. So very sorry that I've already done one of these unboxings. I just, yeah, I just got confused. Who is surprised? I'm not at all. Okay, so now that we had a refresher course on the regular Boxycharm, I'm going to go down here and grab the Boxycharm Premium, which I'm very excited to see. This will be my first glance into this box. I have no idea what is in here. Alright, so remember this is $35 and you do get it monthly, so it's $10 extra than the regular box, which are guaranteed at least $175. I do kind of wish they had sent just like the regular foam instead of bubble wrap because I've been using it to wash my brushes and it works so well. I put a little bit of cleaner on the brush, dip it in some water, rub it around on the foam so I can actually like get some use out of it, and smizzity spazzity, snippity snappity, whatever, they can get cleaned fast. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here is a larger version of the little package of brushes that we received in the regular box. These brushes were just such an unusual shape. I think that's why I'm so like, I don't know, confused by them a little bit. Some of them are just like regular brushes, but just the shape of them makes them look different. Oh, well, isn't that just fancy? I'll save that one till last. Okay, so the next thing we have here is from Kopari, and this is a, well, okay, it's a coconut rose toner. I was pretty excited about the coconut, like my excitement was up here and then it said rose and my excitement kind of went down here. That's just a me thing. I'm not a rose fan like whatsoever, but we'll give it a sniff and see how it smells. Oh, that's a really cute little bottle though. I like that a lot. The outer packaging of this is super, super cute. This is almost like a silicone base to it. That's pretty cool. It has a really decent mister. There's so much rose in the air, but it is pretty rose heavy. So if you're not a huge fan of rose, you might not like this too much. I was really hoping it would be like more heavy on the coconut, especially since it has coconut oil in it. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a little spritz in the face. Try to protect what little hair I have. I have to say, when it's coming right at you, wait, this is toner, it's not setting spray. Okay, it says you can use it as a midday refresh. We're fine. This doesn't really make any sense, but I feel like when you're spraying it towards your face, you actually get less of that rose scent and it dissipates pretty quickly, so it's not too bad if you're not a huge fan of rose. And if you love rose, well then there's no problem at all. So there's that. The next thing we have here is from QMS Medi Cosmetics. This is an intensive eye care day and night eye cream. It is just a regular looking little eye cream. I currently have several eye creams right now, so I'm not going to touch this too much and I'm probably going to pass this along to somebody else. Get back in there. Oh, okay, so next up in here we have something from Dragon Beauty, and this is from Nikita Dragon's beauty line. I personally have never tried anything from Dragon Beauty before, and I don't really watch Nikita's channel. I don't know too much about like her content or anything. Oh boy. Okay, so this is the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion, and it's bright, bright orange. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be like a corrector or something. That makes me nervous. I have never used a corrector correctly. So I'll give this a try and see how it works out for me. I might have to watch a couple like tutorials or something because I tried like the, what's it called? Red lipstick under the eye trick that was going around like a while back, and no, that wasn't a good idea, at least for me. But I'll give it a try. Maybe can cover up some of those lovely deep, deep dark circles. Okay, next up in here, ooh, we have something from Becca. This is the Glow Gloss in Champagne Cream. Champagne witnesses, caviar dreams. Ow. I don't think I've ever tried a Becca lip gloss before. I like the tube that it's in. It kind of looks like a test tube or something. It smells like, ooh. It smells like those peppermints that you like find at the bottom of your grandma's purse, or that they give you at the buffet when you leave. The only thing about this looking like a test tube is that you actually can't like just set it straight down because it's rounded. Ooh, I do actually like this shade. It feels pretty good. You can kind of feel that like mintiness on your lips. It also doesn't make my mouth look like a frosted donut. Sometimes shimmery lip glosses just give me that frosted donut vibe, and though I do enjoy donuts immensely, any type of donut, doesn't matter. I don't really want my lips to look like that, but that's just like a personal preference. I do like the peachiness of this. It doesn't have that like icy look to it, which I really like. And then last but not least, I saved this purposefully for last, we have an item here from Natasha Denona. And if you guys don't know, the most expensive, the single most expensive makeup item I've ever purchased and will ever purchase in my entire life was from Natasha Denona. I bought a $140, I think, I've almost blocked it from my memory, a $140 eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. I'm gonna be fully honest with you guys. I barely use it. It's almost heartbreaking to know that I spent that much money on an eyeshadow palette that I really, rarely use because I had a hard time getting a hang of the formula. But yeah, it's sitting right over there just glaring at me for spending so much money on it. Oh, this is super, super cute. So this is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. I am actually kind of happy that it's not an eyeshadow palette just because I did have such a difficult time using the other one that I bought. I think the packaging of this is super cute, a little bit different. It does feel though, I hate to say it, but just a little bit like on the squeaky kind of inexpensive plastic side. And I'm sure this is a pretty expensive item just being from Natasha Denona. We have our two blushes up top and then two highlighters on the bottom. Oh, and then there's you. Hello. Oh, Inception. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this cream blush here is going to be way, way, way too dark for my skin tone. People already get on to me about wearing too much blush. I couldn't imagine trying to put this just like basically cranberry sauce on my face, but it's a beautiful color nonetheless. I think on deeper skin tones, it would look stunning. Oh yeah, that's also a little bit too deep for my skin tone. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful feeling. Oh, it's a cream. Oh yeah, this is gonna be way, way, way too deep for me. So these blushes are actually creams. That's why they have that cute little door over them. Okay, so in the middle here are the two cream blushes. If I used this darker one at all, it would have to be like barely dabbing into it and then really dispersed over my skin. I mean, that's just with a tiny touch in it, and that's a ton of pigment. Okay, so I'm still not 100% sure about that. Then the other cream blush really doesn't actually show up too much on my skin. It's right there. It's a very pale pink with like a bit of luminosity to it, but I think that would still be better for my skin tone than this darker one. And then the two highlights, the one that's kind of like peachy and gold is pretty dark. I might be able to use that like as a blush, kind of distributed out. And then this one here, which is called Glow Extreme, is also kind of peachy, which I guess I could use it for highlight, again, just like lightly distributed. It's nice to receive expensive brands like Natasha Denona in subscription boxes. I just don't know if this is the particular item that I would have selected for myself. But let's go ahead and see what the total oh, buddy. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, we'll get there in a second. The total retail value of this box is, so we have the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush Glow Palette, which is $55. Then we have what I was just like, oh, it's just an eye cream. It's eye cream. The QMS Meta Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care. I'm gonna give you a second to guess in the comments. Go ahead. Go ahead. This little pot here, it is 0.57 fluid ounces. Is this the full size? I don't know, but it's $150. Okay. Then we have the Kopari Coconut Rose Toner, which is $25. The Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion, which is $25. The Boxycharm 5-piece brush set is $65. That might be a little bit expensive. Then the Becca Glow Gloss, which is lost in this pile over here somewhere, is $22. So let's go ahead and get the full value of this entire box. Okay, so mine came to a total value of $300 and, if it'll focus, $42, which is definitely over the $175 that they promised. I literally can't get over the fact that this eye cream cost $150. Even if this isn't the full size and the full size is like 1 ounce or 2 ounces, that's a lot of money. I would have to buy like 5 gallons of it before I would pay $150 for eye cream, unless it's magical. I was gonna give this as a gift though. I'll say if I put this on my eyes and like, well, bam, my eyes are fixed, no more dark circles, no more wrinkles, then it's worth it. But yeah, I guess I'll have to ask whoever I give this to if it fixes their eyes immediately. Okay, you guys, so that was a bit of a different Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so sorry that we basically just had an entire repeat box, but I hope you guys enjoy getting it in a giveaway. Oh yeah, I like totally turned off the video and everything before I told you guys how to enter into the giveaway for the box that we just went through. If you'd like to enter into the giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, leave a comment down below letting me know that you'd like to be entered, and also a way to contact you. That could be Instagram, Twitter, which I just started tweetering. I'm not very good at it, but it could be Twitter. An email that you just send spam to. Just make sure it's something that you actually check so I can get in contact with you if you are the winner. And also make sure you're 18 years of age or older or have parent or guardian permission to give a stranger on the internet your address. I promise you, the only thing I'll ever ship to you is your giveaway prize. That should probably really go without saying. Anywho, that's how you enter into the giveaway. Back on to the video. But I did want to show you all the difference between the regular Boxycharm and the Boxycharm Premium. I would also love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions about it. Would you guys consider like switching over to the Premium, or would you stick with your regular box, or would you get both of them? I don't know. Let me know everything that you think about it down below in the comments. And again, thank you to Boxycharm for sending these boxes my way. If you guys would like to sign up for Boxycharm, there is an affiliate link that'll be down below in the description. This video was not sponsored, but I do get commission from those links. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!